are back, and today we are making breakfast pizza. Okay, so here you kind of have your finished product. It's an English muffin, whole wheat English muffin with tomato sauce on top, topped with cheese, and then your egg and avocado. So Kaya and Hadley here are going to show us what to do. So Hadley, go ahead and score our avocado. We already have our eggs cooked. This is a really easy way to dice an avocado. You just slice it one way and then slice it the other. Hadley, can you kind of show us how you're doing that? Yep, perfect. Make sure you get all the way to the skin. Okay, now she's just going to use the spoon and spoon out the little cubes into the bowl. And in the meantime, Kaya, if you want to go ahead and put the tomato sauce on the two English muffin halves. Good job. Now spread it around. And on the other one too. Okay. So now we're going to put the egg on top of the English muffin. Good. Go ahead, Hadley, you can make your own, and Kaya, you can make your own. Okay. And then go ahead and put some cheese on top of that. And avocado on top of that. Hadley doesn't like avocado, so she's not gonna do it, but you could put other vegetables on there. You could put little baby tomatoes if you wanted to. You could put broccoli on there. You could put peppers on there. Those would all be good options. What's great about this is you have your whole grain from the English muffin, so that has the fiber and lots of nutrients. And then you have your protein from the egg, and you have lots of vitamins and minerals and healthy fats from the avocado, and your dairy from the cheese. So we have lots of good healthy foods here, all in one meal. All right, enjoy.